Hello, here's Jeff. I'm sitting in our 1.5 ton Swiss cabin excavator, and I want to show you more details. And this two level is to control the moving and the forward. And this one is to this direction, and this one is the opposite direction. And this one is control the boom and the bucket, and this one is control the swing, and the bucket turn and on. I want to show you how to start. This one electric is on, and then touch the button, start it. See, we're back. Position. This here, this one, this button, sorry, this joystick, you see, up, left, and right, see, very smoothly, and this one, see, left, right, front, okay, you see the boom, arm, here, right, front, back, and this one is control the boom swing. And this level is control the extend track and the snow blade. You see here is the extend track, and here is the blade. When you push this one, you can see, and when you change the button and control this one, the extend group.